You should change your name to laughter. It brings joy to every room. All the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to blue. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I changed my name to I love you? We both have a love so perfect. I would never want to hurt it. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to beautiful. Oh, you should change.